The African Union is now warning that keeping Dr. Riek Machar under detention could damage the peace process and increase political tension in the country. The African Union is also calling for the release of other political detainees and urging South Sudanese leader to return to dialogue instead of confrontation. So what exactly did the African Union say? Why is this statement important? And what could happen next in South Sudan's peace process? Let us break it down. The African Union Peace and Security Council released this statement after holding its 1343 meeting on April 30, 2026. This came shortly after an African Union field mission visited South Sudan between April 23rd and April 25 this year, 2026, to assess the political and security situation on the ground. According to the communique, the African Union is deeply concerned about the continued hours arrest of Dr. Riek Machar. That could, the councils believe that his detention is creating more mistrust among parties that signed the peace agreement in 2018. The African Union also warned that this situation is slowing down progress in implementing the 2018 peace agreement, also known as the revised peace agreement on the resolution of the conflict in South Sudan. This is a very important point because the peace agreement was designed to stop violence and guide the country towards stability, reform, and elections. Now, the African Union is saying that the current political tensions are putting that fragile peace process at risk. So, why the African Union want Dr. Machar released? The African Union say meaningful dialogue cannot happen if important leaders remain detained. That is why the council called for the release of Dr. Riek Machar and other political detainees. The African Union believed that releasing political leaders could help rebuild trust and create room for negotiation between political groups. The statement also stressed that there is no military solution to South Sudan political crisis. Instead, the African Union say only genuine and inclusive dialogue can solve the country problem peacefully. This message is important because regional organizations are increasingly worried about the rising tension and political division ahead of planned election. So, what this means for South Sudan? This African Union statement increases international pressure on the government of South Sudan. It also shows that regional and international bodies are closely watching development inside the country. The African Union is not only asking for the release of detainees, it is also calling for stronger cooperation between IGAD, the United Nations, and South Sudan Transitional Government. The goal is to prevent the country from returning to conflict. Many observers believe the peace process is currently facing one of its biggest tests since the signing of the 2018 peace agreement. Political disagreement, security concerns, and lack of trust among leaders continue to create uncertainty about the future. Well, the big question many people are asking now is this: will South Sudan leader return to dialogue and political compromise, or will tension continue to rise? The African Union clearly believes that peaceful dialogue is the only way forward for South Sudan. The organization also called for a permanent ceasefire across the country and urged all political stakeholders to participate in an inclusive peace process. For many South Sudanese citizens, the hope is simple: peace, stability, and a better future without returning to violence. As of now, government officials and SPLMIO representatives have not yet publicly responded to the African Union statement, but this latest message from the African Union sent a strong signal that regional leaders want to see dialogue, inclusion, and full implementation of the peace agreement. The coming week could be very important for the future of political and peace in South Sudan. Please follow for more.